Today we're going to be talking about compound interest. It's quite a simple concept, especially if you already know how to calculate simple interest. Simple interest, you use the formula multiplying the principal amount that you've invested times the interest rate times the number of years. In compound interest, you got to find out each year of your term separately and how much interest you would get each year, and then you add it to your principal that you start out with the next year. So you're getting interest on top of the previous year's interest. It sounds confusing, but it's not. We'll try a quick question and it'll be hopefully more clear. In this question, Ray has invested $8,300 in a savings bond, and it's going to pay him 4.5% compound interest over 3 years. And we're going to try to find out how much he'll have in the end. First of all, year one, we start out with a principal amount of $8,300. And we multiply that by the percentage as a decimal, 0.045, and we come out with how much interest he would make in that year, which in this case is $373.50. And that is their principal amount. We're now going to take this money and add it to our original amount, our principal amount that we started with. So $373.50 plus $8,300 is, in year two, $8,673.50. We again multiply that by 0.045, which is 4.5% converted into a decimal, and we come out with a interest acquired in the second year of $390.31. Now it was decimal 3075, but I rounded it off to the nearest penny, which is 31 cents. We then, again, take this number and add it to our principal amount that we started with that year. And now we're going to start off year three with $9,063.81. We're going to multiply again that by 0.045. And come out with the interest for that year. $407.87. At this point, we're almost finished. Now, we just have to take our final amount of interest and add it to our principal amount for this year, which was $407.87. And we end up with a total of $9,471.68. So that's how much in compound interest you would make in 3 years, paying 4.5% on an initial investment of $8,300.